Beauties, it's me, Alegra. Babes, look at me back in the beauty space. I am so happy, although, okay, because it's been a mess. That's the God's honest truth. My beauty room has been a flippin' mess, but I cleaned. I'm so proud of myself. I'm going to have a huge giveaway because I'm decluttering and I have so much. I'm cleaning out my closet. I think because it's been kind of warm recently that it kind of got me into that spring cleaning mode, if you know what I'm saying. So look who's here. Baby doll wanted to say hi. Come say hi, baby. She got her little outfit on here. She got her little hoodie. Yes. But to say hi to the babes. The babes are over here. They're not over here, sweetie. There she is. Say hi. She's a licker. Okay. I just want to show you how cute her little face is. Isn't her face cute, you guys? She's 13 years old. Can you believe it? She runs around like a puppy. She's nonstop energized. She just tries to run away like multiple times a day. We finally had to put chicken wire up. Louie's here too. You want to see Louie? Louie's okay, Louie. Okay, so I thought it'd be really fun now that we're back in the beauty room to test out today. I've got the e.l.f. C-Bright Putty Primer. Now, how amazing is this e.l.f. primer? It's so good. I mean, it's an exact dupe for, say, the Tatcha Dewy, the Tatcha product that is so nice. Where is it? I have it here somewhere. I was just using it the other day. It's just like this one just has a different scent. This has a more aromatherapeutic kind of scent. It's a beautiful scent. I love that kind of aromatherapy type of scents. I am so obsessed with aromatherapy scents, essential oils. Oh my god, I've gotten so obsessed with that too. I don't know what has come over me in 2023. But now I have tried the original version of the e.l.f. Putty Primer. Absolutely love it, and I gotta say, it's just an exact dupe. It really truly is. Now, the thing that is so nice about the e.l.f. though is they come out with different versions of the putty primer. For example, did you guys try the cookies and cream? That was amazing. And now here is the vitamin C infused. So skincare infused, they are just, I have never tried anything from e.l.f. that wasn't amazing. So here it is. It actually does have an orange tint to it, which let's see how it comes up on skin. It could also have color correcting benefits, maybe if it is orange on the skin, but let's go ahead and try it and see. Right now I just have my brows and this lip and it's pretty good. Yeah. I don't have any foundation on, let's put it that way. Also, you guys, I'm so happy I got a new lens for my camera here. And I'm so happy because I've always wanted this lens, but I didn't know how to find it. Like, I wanted this kind of look and I didn't know how to get it. I mean, the lens that everybody said they used for the beauty videos was like $800, so I never wanted to get it because it was too much money. But then I saw this girl the other day and she said that she was using this lens that I'm using right now, and I looked it up and it was $100. So I was like, girl, you're treating yourself. Because I've been wanting this for, I don't even know how long, 7 years. It's going to be going on 7 years. So I like to put my primer on with a brush. So let me just go ahead and grab a brush. So I've got this Real Techniques foundation type of brush here. Is that what they're calling it? Yeah, foundation brush. Square foundation brush. And so I'm going to just reach right into the e.l.f. primer. And I just like to kind of warm it up in the product, warm the product up a bit. So that's why I'm kind of, going in with the brush so we could get, yeah, you see not too much comes off. I'm just doing it gently just to, emulsify it. And then, because it's been very cold in here, besides recently. Okay, so let's go ahead and put some on. Ooh, it feels so good. It is yellow on my skin. So hopefully this is like a color corrector for me. Or it'll probably transform, right? It'll transform. Yeah, it's melting into my skin now. And it doesn't look as yellow. When I first put it on, it did look pretty yellow. But now it melted in and it just feels so soothing and so good on my skin. I love putting these pore putty primer and the Tatcha product under my eyes because it's so soothing and it winds up just feeling so moisturizing, and it also fills in any fine lines. So I love it for that as well. Just It's so great at filling in those little fine lines under your eyes and the crow's feet lines. It kind of just like, it kind of moisturizes and fills in. So I already noticed that my skin definitely looks more luminous. It definitely has filled in the fine lines under my eyes because my eyes were dry underneath, and so there was those fine lines, and now they're not as pronounced because the product has moisturized them, and it feels so good. It truly feels so good on my skin. It definitely feels soothing. It feels so good. It doesn't have a scent, so that's good because I really, generally I don't like scents. What about you guys? I mean, in my cosmetics, I like scents and perfume and things like that. But in cosmetics, yeah, I prefer pretty much unscented. Unless it's, to be honest, unless it's vanilla scent, because I'm obsessed with anything vanilla scented. So, what do you guys think? I actually do feel like my skin is looking brighter and brighter. This is amazing. I can't believe it. It definitely has luminosity now. It definitely feels moisturized, soothed. So, wow, this feels so good. And I have used this formulation before. It has never made my foundation break up or anything like that, but I'm going to put some foundation on anyway, and we'll see, just to see maybe this version is different. I can't imagine it would be, but I'm going to just put my foundation on top and let's see how it sits on top of the foundation. So I'm just putting on a little bit of foundation now, just pressing it into my skin with my BK Beauty foundation brush. This is amazing. This is the 109, and it's such an amazing brush. I can't believe how much brighter my skin looks. It definitely has a brightening effect. So generally vitamin C is said to brighten, and this vitamin C primer has definitely brightened my skin. You guys see that? I just cannot believe how bright my skin looks right now. I'm a little bit in shock. Wow. To be honest, I wasn't expecting that. My skin looks super bright. I love that. I love a brightened complexion. So, and I'm just going to quickly put on a little bit of concealer just to do a quick face. Pretty much my normal, everyday makeup look. I'll just put on primer. I always put on primer now because it does make such a huge difference. If you have textured skin, it definitely helps to, make your skin look smoother. So I have really gotten into wearing primer every day. I'll wear primer, concealer, and a little bit of setting powder generally for an everyday makeup look. But for today, I just, put it on foundation, but who cares? We're having fun. We're having fun, right? So, okay. I'm just pressing it in now. Now that I've started putting on the makeup, though, I want to keep going, you guys. I just want to put on a full face. This is the way it is. Like, now I'm like, let's do the whole 9 yards. Let's do the contouring, the cream blush, the powder blush, the highlighter. Oh, you guys know. Makeup is addicting, right? So I'm just going to quickly set that, though. Look at how bright my skin is. I really cannot believe this. I'm so in shock because it was not looking like this before. Even though my skin is looking brighter, though, I have to say, because I've been using this new skincare device that's amazing. It's unbelievable. It's just like getting a laser treatment at the spa or at the Medi Spa, but you can do it at home, and it's actually better because I had been getting those Clear and Brilliant treatments at the Medi Spa, and then I found this device that I'm gonna show you guys in a future video, and wow, it has made my skin, when you use this device, your skin looks like you got 10 of those Clear and Brilliant treatments. It's after one time. It's amazing. So there's that. I'm so in shock, you guys. Really and truly. My skin looks so much smoother, but it's not feeling oily on my skin. My skin now feels, it just feels good. And I did put on the Makeup by Mario foundation, so that's kind of a more luminous foundation. And the e.l.f. primer kind of does feel moisturizing and things like that, but I don't feel like my face feels oily at all. It feels so good right now. It just doesn't feel oily or, like greasy or anything like that. Some primers will make you feel greasy, but this one definitely does not. It just gave beautiful hydration, beautiful luminosity. I don't even feel like I need my setting spray. Usually I do feel like I need my setting spray, but I'll just do it a little bit just because my normal everyday routine is to use my Alegra Beauty Mist. We have restocked, so I will have it linked down below. Clean beauty, smells amazing, makes your makeup last, and gives you that glowy skin look. So super amazing. And did I mention smells amazing? So it's very light, natural scented. So what do you guys think? I would love to keep putting on more makeup, but we came to test out the primer today, so that's what we'll do, right? I would love to keep going though. I would love and love to keep putting on makeup, but you know. So my pores definitely do look reduced. My skin looks 100% smoother. The products that I applied on top of the primer went on so easy and effortlessly. I definitely feel like it brightened my complexion. It gave luminosity, it gave hydration, but not in a greasy way. So how amazing is that? And wow, I really shouldn't be in shock because I have tried and loved the e.l.f. putty primers before, but specifically this one with the vitamin C in it truly is brightening. So I really have to say, out of all the e.l.f. putty primers that I've tried, this one is definitely my favorite. So I'll have everything for this product linked down below. I hope you found today's makeup review helpful. Let me know your thoughts down below if you have tried this. Let me know your experience. And that's pretty much it. So I hope you beauties are all doing good. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you liked today's video. Comment and subscribe for future giveaways. And I will see you beauties very soon.